Meaning of forwent.
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 Forwent. Forwent is the past tense of forego, which means to give up or abstain from something. For example, if someone decides to forego dessert after dinner, they are choosing not to have it. The word forwent indicates that this decision has already been made in the past. It can also be used in a more metaphorical sense, such as when someone forgoes a career opportunity in order to focus on their family. Ultimately, foregoing something means making a conscious choice to do without it, usually for personal or ethical reasons.